Observe the rhythmic expansion of your lungs in a silent concrete room. You search for a pilot, but find only electrical firing. The cockpit is empty, yet the vessel continues its course through the. Look at your hands and realize they are peripheral hardware. You are a ghost in an indifferent. The I is a linguistic patch designed to mask the fragmentation of your. Trillions of cells operate in total darkness, unaware of the narrative you construct for your. Your consciousness is not a mirror, but the light itself scattered across a centerless. The you of 10 years ago has been deleted, replaced by a ghost haunted by. The simulation requires only a functioning interface to maintain the. Words arise from darkness, processed by a logic that precedes your. Without the hardware of the body, the I has no anchor in the. Silence is the final state when the search for the self ends in the.